Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbiye. Today I will tell you about the clinical research. What is the clinical research? The clinical research is the comprehensive study of the safety and effectiveness of the most. They are the both safety and the efficacy. The the promising advances in a patient's care. Then a clinical research is different than the laboratory research. It involves the people who volunteer to the help us better understand medicines and health, to understand the better health for the medicines and health. The lab research are generally does not involves in a people and although it help us learn which new ideas may help the people. And the clinical research are every drug device every drug are a device, then a tool, then a diagnostic test, then a technique and a technology used in medicines today. And once upon the one test is volunteers who took the part in a clinical research in a study. It is a clinical research study, and at Johns Hopkins Medicines is a belief that a clinical research is a key to improve care for the peoples in our community and around the world. The once you understand more about clinical research, and you may for the appreciate way and why it's important to the participate for the yourself and let the community. Then what are the type of the clinical research? There are the two main kinds of the clinical research. They are the first of the observation of the study and clinical trial. The observation studies are studies that aim to identify and analyze patterns in medical data or biological samples, and such as tissue or blood, providing and study participants. Then clinical research is a studies need people to every age and health status, then race, then gender and ethnicity and cultural background to the participant, and this will increase the chance that scientist and the clinician will develop treatments and the procedures that are likely to the safe and work all in the peoples. And the potential volunteers are careful the screened to ensure that they meet the all of the requirements for any study. And before then begin, most of the response of the people most of the response of the people are not the included studies is a because of is a studies before the beginning, and included in studies is because of the about safety, and both healthy peoples are those in a diagnosed medical coordinators, and can take the part in a clinical research, and leave the study at any time for any reason. And the clinical trial is a clinical trial which is also called the interventional studies, that is a clinical trial. And the clinical trial is a test in a safety and efficacy of medical interventions, and such as the medications, then procedures and tools is a living organism, that is called the clinical trials. It is all about the clinical research. Thank you.